What is the best wine pairing strategy for nice fine dining? Imagine sitting in a bustling New York City restaurant, surrounded by the aroma of exquisite dishes and the clink of glasses. The right wine can turn a good meal into an unforgettable experience. In the city's vibrant culinary scene, pairing wine with food is both an art and a science. The key is balancing the dish's style with the wine's characteristics. Start by matching the weight of the food with the wine. Light dishes like seafood or salads go well with crisp white wines or light reds. Rich, hearty dishes like steak or braised meats call for fuller-bodied reds such as Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. Think about flavor profiles next. If a dish is spicy or salty, a wine with high acidity, like a Sauvignon Blanc or a sparkling wine, can cut through the richness. For dishes with a touch of sweetness, like glazed meats or desserts, sweeter wines such as Riesling or Moscato work beautifully. Regional harmony is also important. Many top restaurants in New York emphasize dishes from specific regions, so pairing wines from the same area enhances the experience. For example, Italian dishes go well with Italian wines like Chianti or Barolo, while French cuisine pairs nicely with Bordeaux or Burgundy wines. Working with a sommelier is a smart move. These experts curate extensive wine lists and can recommend perfect pairings based on your meal and preferences. Many fine dining spots in New York have talented sommeliers who can guide you through the options. Don't forget to explore local wines from New York State. The Finger Lakes and Long Island produce excellent wines that pair well with seasonal ingredients. Incorporating local wines supports regional producers and adds a fresh touch to your meal. Be open to creative pairings too. Some restaurants serve sparkling wines with fried foods or natural wines with avant-garde dishes. For example, at a seafood restaurant like La Bernardine, a crisp Loire Valley Muscadet or a New York Riesling can highlight the freshness of the seafood. At an Italian restaurant, pairing a Chianti Classico with pasta or red meats balances acidity and tannins perfectly. When enjoying a tasting menu, a progressive approach works best. Start with lighter whites, then move to richer reds or dessert wines, guided by the sommelier. The overall goal is to blend classic principles with New York's diverse culinary creativity. Combining regional wines, expert advice, and a willingness to try new pairings makes your dining experience in the city truly special.